Hi guys, it's Don from City Warmth in Brighton answering the question you all want to know. How much will it cost me to have an air source heat pump installed in my home in 2026? Now the guide price does vary quite a bit, and if you stick with us for this short video, we'll go into why it varies so much. But the answer is, if you qualify for the government's boiler upgrade scheme grant, the final out-of-pocket cost for most local homeowners ranges between £3,000 and £9,000. Now, if you look at the total upfront invoice, before any discounts, a high quality installation in Sussex averages between £11,000 and £16,500. That covers the unit, the kit, the engineering and the labour. But here's the game changer. The government gives you a £7,500 boiler upgrade scheme grant, or £9,000 if you're currently on LPG or oil. At City Warmth, we manage that paperwork and take that £7,500 straight off your quote before you pay a single penny. But why does the price still vary so much? Okay, so there are a number of reasons the price can be so different. Location. Where will the heat pump go? The further away it is from the point where the pipes enter into your property, the more expensive it will be. More materials, more labour. And is there a solid base for it to sit on? Or will you need to pay someone to have one built? Hot water cylinders. We all got rid of those, didn't we? Freed up the airing cupboard to put our showers in, threw a combi boiler into the kitchen cupboard. Well, you'll need a hot water tank again with an air source heat pump. Good news is, if you do still have one, it is very likely that it can be used with a heat pump. But if you need one, or choose to change your existing one, it'll add to the cost. Radiators. This can be the biggest variable. No, you don't necessarily need to change them. It's all in the maths. As a certified Heat Geek Elite installer, we design systems for maximum efficiency whilst bearing your budget in mind. So upfront cost versus long-term running costs, there's always a sweet spot somewhere in the middle. And if your existing radiators are already large enough to run at lower energy-saving temperatures, your costs will stay low. If we need to upgrade a few rooms to larger panels, that will add to the total. Now don't forget, running costs can be high with heat pumps if they're not designed properly or installed properly. To ensure you don't have a painful heat pump journey, have a Heat Geek install yours. The only way to get a laser accurate price for your home and your setting is with a proper room by room heat loss survey. Don't rely on online guessing tools. Head over to citywarmth.co.uk today and we'll design a bespoke system that guarantees your home stays warm all winter while keeping your running costs down. Click the link in the description below to book your survey. Thanks guys. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date with all things heat pump and boiler, and see you again soon.